Hey guys, welcome back to Stack. Today I'll be showing you how to fix TeamViewer black screen. So guys, if this ever happened to you, first things first is you could just simply go ahead and open up the TeamViewer into your computer. And now once you are here, of course, you could just simply go ahead and ask for your partner's ID in order for you to connect with them. And select connect. And after that, it will prompt you to enter a password, and you can just simply go ahead and have them providing the password for you. And after that, once you have the password, select log on in order for you to have access into their computer. Now guys, once they are here, once you are here, you will have multiple options. You could either go ahead and go for the view over here, and you will have an option hide the wallpaper. So guys, from here you could try that if you have any, and select hide the wallpaper again if you want to turn it off. You could also try that, and you could have the show remote cursor as well. And now another thing that you could do is go for refresh screen. So guys, having your screen refresh will mostly fix the issue, or try a different scale and quality. Now guys, if it doesn't work out of everything that we have done, you could go for the remote update over here on the actions, and pretty much when they have an outdated version, they have to download the latest version into their computer. So guys, make sure both of you have the latest TeamViewer version so you won't have any issue. Or what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and go for this icon over here, send Ctrl Alt Delete, and mostly it can wake up the screen and you should be able to fix it. If it doesn't, you could just simply restart both computer or close the application first, and pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, comment down below, and thanks for watching.